Dolphins are among the most fascinating and intelligent creatures in the animal kingdom. Their story begins millions of years ago, when their distant ancestors roamed the land. Over time, these early mammals returned to the sea, evolving streamlined bodies, powerful tails, and sophisticated sonar systems that make dolphins the masters of their aquatic world. Today, dolphins are found in oceans and seas across the globe, from the warm, shallow waters of tropical bays to the chilly depths of the open ocean. Some species, like the bottlenose dolphin, are highly adaptable and can even be found in brackish estuaries and rivers. Their habitats are as varied as their species, but all dolphins rely on clean, healthy waters to thrive. Dolphins are carnivorous and their diet depends on their environment. Most dolphins feed on a variety of fish and squid, using clever hunting techniques that showcase their intelligence and teamwork. In some cases, dolphins herd fish into tight balls, taking turns to dart through the school and snatch their prey. Others use their powerful sonar, called echolocation, to track down hidden or fast-moving targets in murky waters. This unique ability allows dolphins to see with sound, detecting the size, shape, and even the internal structure of objects around them. The social lives of dolphins are just as remarkable as their hunting skills. They live in groups called pods, which can range from a handful of individuals to several hundred. Within these pods, dolphins form strong bonds, communicating with each other through a complex language of clicks, whistles, and body movements. These social structures help dolphins protect each other from predators, care for their young, and coordinate their activities. The life cycle of a dolphin begins with birth, after a gestation period that typically lasts between 10 and 17 months, depending on the species. Female dolphins usually give birth to a single calf, which is born tail first to prevent drowning. The mother helps her newborn reach the surface for its first breath of air, and from that moment, a strong bond is formed. Calves nurse for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills by observing and mimicking their mothers and other pod members. Dolphins reach maturity at different ages, depending on the species, but most are ready to reproduce between the ages of 5 and 12 years. Courtship and mating rituals can be elaborate, involving playful chases and displays of agility. Female dolphins typically give birth every 2 to 3 years, although this can vary with environmental conditions and food availability. Throughout their lives, dolphins face a range of challenges. Natural predators like sharks and orcas pose threats, but the greatest dangers often come from human activities. Pollution, habitat destruction, entanglement in fishing gear, and climate change all threaten dolphin populations worldwide. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these remarkable animals, including the creation of marine protected areas, regulations on fishing practices, and public education campaigns. Despite these challenges, dolphins continue to capture our imaginations with their intelligence, grace, and playful nature. Their ability to adapt to changing environments, form complex social bonds, and communicate in ways we are only beginning to understand makes them one of the ocean's most enduring symbols of beauty and wonder. From their ancient origins to their modern-day lives, dolphins remind us of the intricate connections that bind all living things. By protecting dolphins and their habitats, we also safeguard the health of our oceans and the countless species that call them home. In doing so, we ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the remarkable story of the dolphin.